Hello, what's up mga people dara update there is sa Manila Bay, and as you can see, wow, it's an it's a paradise na talagang Manila Bay rather than before. And showing you the DPS, ito yung mga mandaragat uh, na matatawag nating bayani dito sa Manila Bay, guys, na everyday nag-clean sa Manila Bay. So I just wanted actually to show this up to you, on how they are cleaning the Manila Bay. It's because it we just need actually to appreciate these people, this mandaragat, this DPS who is everyday cleaning the Manila Bay. And it's really amazing. Kudos talaga, kudos sa mga taong ito na alam nilang everyday talaga meron silang malilinis dito. It's because sa mga sa mga basura, sa mga um, basurang galing sa iba't ibang bodies of water around Manila Bay, which is nag-e-end up talaga sa Manila Bay. Kaya ito, as you can see, as of this hour, ito yung mga nakukuha nilang basura, guys. They manually do that. They manually pick it up using any tools. As you can see, hindi sobrang high-tech yung tools nila. Some of them are using yung takip ng electric fan, as you can see that. Ayan. And then they manually pick it up. But then that's very fine, because aside from that, aside from they are able to clean actually the Manila Bay, also they have a job at this situation, at this pandemic. They have a job, and that's really good. It's really good talaga, kasi it adds to their income, to their daily needs. So ayan, guys, kung pupunta kayo dito, ang sarap talaga pumunta din syempre ng umaga, hindi masyadong init, and magmuni-muni lang. Ang daming tao dyan sa taas, nagmumuni-muni every morning. So ayan, just watch how beautiful it is here. And take note, hindi talaga siya amoy basura if you're here. Amoy dagat. So if you wanted to, have muni-muni in the morning, or even actually jogging or do some exercise, you can go here. So that's it. Once again, this is ECSO. Thank you. Bye-bye.